5 advanced tech hacks to make your life easier. Smart home automations. Use smart home hubs like SmartThings or HomeKit to create complex routines that control multiple devices with a single command, such as adjusting lights, locks, and thermostats when you say good night. AI email management. Tools like Superhuman and Sanebox can prioritize important emails, snooze non-urgent messages, and unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters. Virtual assistants. Advanced virtual assistants like XI or Clara handle meeting scheduling and calendar management, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. Enhanced privacy. Protect your data with a VPN and use encrypted messaging apps like Signal or WhatsApp to ensure secure communications. Content aggregators. Use RSS feed readers and news aggregators like Feedly or Flipboard to compile your favorite news sources, blogs, and updates in one place, saving time.